Hey everybody, welcome back to the Sauna Place. I'm Brian Mitchell. Today I'm here to talk about why do so many indoor saunas we sell do not come with a floor kit or any flooring at all? The answer is pretty simple. If you look at the many models that we have, a lot of people are wanting to use their existing flooring where you can see it through the door, the glass wall system of your sauna where it all flows naturally. Most of our indoor saunas will utilize the waterproof flooring you already have in place, whether that's a sealed concrete, porcelain tile, even if it's a vinyl waterproof flooring, our indoor saunas will work perfectly with all of those. There's no need in having a separate floor kit unless you want one. We have different flooring options that you can buy. If you visit us at saunaplace.com, you can pick out some cedar floor mats, aspen floor mats, rubberized floor tiles, antibacterial. There's a number of options, but there's no need in any of these saunas to do that unless you want to. Again, takeaway, if you can use your existing waterproof floor, these will look beautiful in any setting. If you've enjoyed what you've seen today, hit that subscribe button to see all of our sauna models and head over to saunaplace.com to explore all the models we have available. Want to talk to a real expert? Give us a call at 931-516-6577 or come visit us in Cookeville, Tennessee. We're here to guide you every step of the way.